Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. Most people will like this 5.5 quart, basket-style Ninja air fryer that's suitable for making a batch of food for 2 to 4 people. It continues to be the top performer in our air fryer tests. It consistently makes the crispiest and most golden chicken wings we've come across, which are juicy and not dry, in the shortest amount of time. It also scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and useful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's slick, ceramic non-stick interior that has held up over time, and we like that the removable tray fits snugly and securely in the bottom of the basket. You don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both the basket and tray are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. It comes with a broiling rack, too, which is helpful when you're looking to add some extra color to food. One thing to note about the basket. Some testers mention they think it's small compared to other air fryers. This model features several cook settings, which are programmed with unique maximum and minimum temperatures including Max Crisp and Air Broil, which reach 450 F, and Dehydrate, which reaches a low of 105 F. It has a timer that counts down to the second. Over the years, this air fryer has held up to daily use and continues to cook well. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Those cooking for a family of 4 or meal preppers will especially like this air fryer with square basket from Instant, the makers of the Instant Pot. The basket's large surface area allows for more cooking at once without being too bulky to put in the dishwasher. Plus, the window and light allow you to peer inside without pulling out the basket. The light even turns on right before the timer is about to go off, a unique feature. This model is easy to program and high-performing. It's a steal when on sale and a great value even at full price. In our tests, chicken wings came out crispy, golden and juicy in just 20 minutes, and frozen fries were moist but crisp and evenly cooked without the need for shaking midway. This 6-quart clear cook model has a preheat function built in, which isn't too common in air fryers. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to reach 400 F and chirps when it's at the right temperature. It does not require you to press start again after it preheats, which is helpful if you want to add your food from the beginning and walk away. It also alerts you halfway through cooking, should you want to shake or turn the food. The digital control panel is highly responsive, and the knob makes it easy to program the temperature and time quickly. It has 6 settings that are preset with recommended but adjustable cooking temperatures and times, including air fry, bake, roast, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. One downside: the removable tray didn't stay put in our tests when we flipped the basket over to transfer our food, so we recommend using tongs. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Even though this air fryer from Cosori has a 6-quart capacity like many of the air fryers we test, great for a family of 4, it's shorter and sleeker, which makes it feel more compact. It has a square basket and a removable tray that remains securely in place. Its easy-to-view screen is flat and located on the top of the air fryer, unique compared to others that are angled or front-facing. It has large lettering, a clear font, straightforward settings, and contrasting colors. It's completely black when not in use. Food came out golden brown, moist, and evenly cooked in our tests. The air fry setting was powerful and the fan blew the bread around when we tried to make grilled cheese. But we appreciate that this air fryer tells you the fan speed when you select each setting because we were able to choose a gentler option the next time. One tester with 2 small children has been using hers for over a year several times a day. She relies on it for after-school snacks the whole family can enjoy as well as side dishes and whole steaks. Number 4. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. If you're short on space or mostly cooking for one, this air fryer is for you. It performs as well as our best overall air fryer, but is shorter and a little slimmer with a 4-quart capacity. Our best overall pick, the Ninja Max XL, has a 5.5-quart capacity. In our tests, chicken wings came out super crispy quickly, and fries cooked well. It's easy to program and clean with a non-stick basket and removable cooking tray. The smaller basket fits nicely into our dishwasher. I've been using this model at home for more than 6 months now. It doesn't take up too much room alongside my other appliances, and I mostly use it for proteins like chicken, salmon, and pork chops. I'm impressed with how well it browns and how quickly it cooks. Number 5. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Whether you're cooking for a family or yourself, you'll want to consider making room for this large air fryer in your kitchen. The dual baskets come in handy for cooking large portions all at once, different foods for the picky eaters, or just making something small for one person. I used it in my apartment for a long time and liked that the baskets were smaller than other air fryer baskets and fit more easily into my dishwasher. I also liked that one was always at the ready if I forgot to clean the other the night before. Each basket is perfect for air frying 1 to 2 portions and is capable of using each of the air fryer's 6 settings. You can program them to cook separately or at the same time. This was one of the few dual basket air fryers that produced crispy wings when we cooked them solo in either basket or all at once in both. Many other dual basket air fryers cooked wings inconsistently in different scenarios. Fries also cooked well and crispy in our tests. One con. The dual basket design makes it a little tricky to set the air fryer, but once you make sure the correct side is selected, you're golden.